Hello, boys and girls. I hope you have all been staying safe and healthy. Welcome to our Grade 5 Mathematics class. I am Miss Yulita Brown Phillips. Today, our topic is factors. What are factors? Think about it for a minute. A factor is a whole number that divides exactly into another number completely without leaving a remainder. Or it can also be defined as a whole number that multiplies another number to make a third number. This number is called the product. Now, boys and girls, listen carefully. Every number except one has at least two factors, one and itself. A factor pair is a pair of numbers multiplied together to form another number called its product. Now today, we are going to learn how to list the factors of numbers. Our first example, list all the factors of 12. Now, to be able to do factors, you have to be very, very efficient with your tables. They are very good to learn and they will help you in instances like these. So we will find the simplest way to get 12. What is the simplest way to get 12, boys and girls? Yes, 1 times 12 will give us 12. So we start with 1 and 12. 1 and the number itself are the factors that you list. So we're going to set them apart. By the way, I'm going to teach you two methods today how to find factors. And you will decide which one is more comfortable for you. So we place the 1 and the 12 apart and we draw an arch at the top of it, linking the 1 to the 12. So let's go on. Let's try to see what other number we can multiply to get 12. Did I hear 2? 2 times what will give us 12? Yes, 2 times 6 will give us 12. Now remember to place your arch over the 2 and the 6. 3 times what will give us 12? Think about it. 3 times 4 will give us 12. So we put our 3 and 4 between. Do not forget to place your arch over the number. The arch helps to minimize mistakes, and in the end, all your factors will be in ascending order. you will be able to pick them up easily. So let's list the factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and of course 12. Boys and girls, did you notice that 1 and 12 are factors of 12? Remember in the beginning we said that every number has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So you see in the example that 1 is a factor of 12 and 12 itself. So we will move on to the second method, and I want you to pay keen attention because at the end of it, I want you to make your comparisons to see if you will get the same outcome. Now this method, it uses division. So we have 12 stars. When we group things, we are dividing. Let's see how many numbers 12 can be divided by. Can we put 2 stars into one group? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. So we see we can get 6 groups of 2 from 12. Let's see if we can put 3 stars into a group without leaving a remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Yes, we can get 4 groups of 3 from 12. Therefore, 3 and 4 are factor pairs and also factors of 12. Let's list the factors of 12 quickly. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Remember, 1 is a factor of every number and the number itself. Let's list the pairs of factors of 12. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. I will let you do a few on your own. Are you ready? Let's get ready to rumble. The first one, list all the factors of 16. List all the factors of 16. Now let me give you a clue. Remember to start with the simplest way of getting 16. I'll give you 1 minute to get this done, boys and girls. You should be finished by now, boys and girls. So we started with the simplest. 1 times 16 will give us 16. 2 times 8 will give us 16. 4 times 4 will give us 16. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Excellent work, boys and girls. Way to go. You're on top of things. Let's do another one. Take a minute to do this one. And remember to always do neat work. Your work says a lot about you. What are the factors of 20? What are the factors of 20? You can begin now, boys and girls. Did you begin with 1 and 20? If you did, that's absolutely correct. 1 times 20 will give us 20. 2 times 10 will give us 20. 4 times 5 will give us 20. Boys and girls, did you notice we didn't list 5 times 4? Isn't 5 times 4 20? Yes, we didn't list it because 5 times 4 and 4 times 5 is the same thing. So let's list our factors of 20, boys and girls. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Always remember, 1 is a factor of every number and the number itself. It's time for the problem of the day, boys and girls. How many factors the number 18 has? I'll give you a minute to solve this problem. How many factors the number 18 has? Take your time and do neat work. Think carefully. You should be finished by now. Did you list the factors? Good job! You had to list the factors of 18 so that you will be able to count the number of factors 18 has. Remember the question asked, how many factors the number 18 has? So let's list the factors of 18. 1 times 18 will give us 18. 2 times 9 will give us 18. 3 times 6 will give us 18. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18, of course. Now, how many factors did you list, boys and girls? Yes, 6. The number 18 has 6 factors. So, boys and girls, today we learned quite a few things. So let's recap. We learned that a whole number that divides exactly into another number completely without leaving a remainder is a factor. We also learned that every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. We also learned that a factor pair is a pair of numbers multiplied together to form another number called their product. We also learned two different methods by which we can find the factors of numbers. Isn't that really cool? You saw the outcomes were the same. So whichever method, boys and girls, you are comfortable with, you can go right ahead and use it. Boys and girls, this has brought us to the end of our class for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. Friends, yes, I called you my friends because you all are my little friends from both near and far. I want to remind you to stay safe, sanitize, wear a mask, and always be kind. Bye, friends. See you next time.